Meaning of decently.
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 Decently. Decently is an adverb that means to a reasonable or acceptable extent, in a satisfactory manner, or fairly well. For example, when someone says that they did decently in a test, it means that they did reasonably well, but not exceptionally so. Similarly, if someone cooks decently, it means that their cooking is satisfactory and enjoyable, but not necessarily outstanding. In general, decently implies a level of competence that is acceptable but not exceptional, falling somewhere in the middle between average and excellent performance.